Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Into this video, I will be making some black eyed peas. If you haven't had black eyed peas before, it kind of reminds me of split peas. So good. I am super excited about this video per usual. So let's get started right now. I used 4 bags and I got it from Walmart. I really don't like the canned ones, and I haven't tried the dry ones yet. I'm going to boil this until it's soft. Once this is done boiling, I'm going to blend less than a half of it. You can use any kind of meat you want to, but I'm using smoked turkey neck, shrimp, and fish. I'm going to steam the turkey neck and fry the fish. Once I am done adding the seasonings, so in this blender, I have 2 onions and 4 habanero peppers. Once I am done blending the peppers and onions, I'm going to use half of it for the turkey neck and the other half once I'm frying the beans. I'm adding half of the peppers and onions here, and I'm going to let this boil for about 20 minutes. I am frying the fish and chicken. Once I'm done, I'm going to set it aside. Once I'm done frying the fish and chicken, I added the beans. I'm going to let this fry for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to the beans and the rest of the peppers and onions. I'm going to let this fry for about 12 minutes. Next, I'm going to dice up 1 red and 1 green bell peppers and add it to the beans. I am also adding some garlic. I am adding the turkey neck and the broth to the beans. This is looking, smelling, and tasting really good. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I am adding the shrimp. The shrimp is already cooked. You can use any kind of shrimp you want to. I'm going to let this cook on low for about half an hour. I didn't add tomato paste in this video, but you can add a tablespoon of tomato paste. After half an hour, I am adding the fish and chicken. I'm going to let this cook for another 10 minutes and then it's ready. This is what it's looking like, guys. This was so good. Oh my gosh. You have to try this, okay? If you haven't yet. I recommend eating the soup with jasmine rice. It is so good. But if you have any other rice, that will also work. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.